Hi, welcome to the Cabrini High School Science Department. My name is Ann Smart and I've been a teacher here at Cabrini for 42 years. In science, students are required to take 4 high school credits, biology, chemistry, and 2 others. Our 8th graders start with physical science or physical science honors. Our 9th graders take biology or biology honors. Our 10th graders take chemistry or chemistry honors. After that, we have some upper class electives. We have physics and physics honors. We have environmental science. We have anatomy or anatomy honors or biology 2 AP. We have some half credit independent studies, marine science, which is an honors elective, genetics, also an honors elective, and forensic science, an honors elective. The science department strives to achieve active participation with lots of hands-on activities and lots of practical applications. There's something to interest every student in the science department.